time, I'm going to unbox the SSD that I ordered for my Xiaomi Notebook Pro. So this is the Evo 970 500 gigabyte model. So I got a pretty good price on this one. And here it is. It's like a huge box to send this little tiny thing. And you can see the outside of the box, 970 Evo NVMe M2, 500 gigabytes, 5-year limited warranty. And yeah, so this is basically it. Then I'm going to try and show you how to install this in your Xiaomi Notebook Pro if you have one. So the capacity of this one is 500 gigs. The format is M22280. The interface is the PCIe 3.0x4 NVMe 1.3. The cache is 512 megabytes lower power DDR4 SD RAM. Read speed is 3,400 megabytes per second. Sequential writing speed is up to 2,300 megabytes per second. So this is a very good option if you're like gaming in 4K. If you're doing video editing, it's a good option because it's a fast drive. That's something that's very useful when you're doing like gaming and video editing. It's a very good option. It isn't like a pro model or anything like that, but this is super fast. And I definitely recommend this if you're looking into like SSD drives, because it does have a good balance between pricing and specs, you know, what you get. So yeah, if you're really into this thing, I do recommend it. So we can open this up just for you guys to see what it's like. Just open this up, make sure everything's a-okay, since this did come in the mail. And here it is, you can see. Let's just take this out. There it goes. I think there's some kind of manual in here. Yep. Right here in the back you have a manual, which is sealed. Just open this up. And here it is. Comes in various languages. This is Samsung Magician. I guess this is like keep your drive performance up and always up to date with the essential toolkit. I don't know if this is free or not. I have to check that out later on. And here in the manual, let me see if I can find the English section here somewhere. Here it is. Let's see what it says here. Just a warranty, and it gives you more or less an explanation on how to install this. So you can see here, SATA M2 SSD. They're telling you basically the difference between both of them. This is the NVMe M2. So it's this one right here, as you can see right here. And that's how you slide it in. There's a little screw there for you to screw this in. And that's it, guys. Nothing more to say. Like I said, I'll try and show you how to install this in the Xiaomi Notebook Pro. It hasn't arrived yet. I'm waiting for it to arrive. It should be getting here this week. As soon as I have that, I'll show you guys, okay? So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do so. I will have more videos in the future. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and see you next time.